Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this tutorial, I will be explaining how to set up MTK Bypass on your computer system. What we need for this tutorial, we need to install Python 3. We need to download and extract our bypass utility master and exploit collections. We also need to install USB DK. The link for all these files will be added in the description. So first we have to install Python 3. When installing Python, you tick add Python to path, then you click on install. Setup was successful. So after installation of Python, we will open cmd command prompt. So we are going to be installing some Python requirements. For this, we will need internet connection, so you need to connect to internet. So you type in a command and press enter. So you can just copy and paste the command, then you press enter. So when you see you are using a pip version 20.2.3, then the requirement is installed. So you can close the command prompt. Then you extract your bypass utility master. Also the exploits collection. And don't forget to install the USB DK. So in the meantime, we copy the payload folder and default config file from the exploit collection folder to the bypass utility folder. So the USB DK collection installation is successful. So we are going to open a Windows terminal in the bypass utility folder. So we are going to input the command. Press enter. Okay. Then you connect your device in brown mode. So as you can see, protection is disabled. So that's how to set up MTK bypass on your computer system.